Welcome to Guide Glimpse channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to add Copilot in Excel, covering everything from subscription, pricing, setup, practical tips, and troubleshooting common issues. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to get started with this AI-powered assistant and how to use it to make Excel work faster and smarter for you. So first, what exactly is Copilot? Think of it as your personal AI assistant built right inside Excel. It's designed to help you work with the data in plain English instead of struggling with complicated formulas or manual formatting. Copilot can generate tables, charts, and forecasts. It can summarize large amounts of data, and it can even suggest ways to visualize trends. For example, instead of manually creating a formula to calculate quarterly growth, you could simply type "Show me sales growth by region for the past 3 quarters," and Copilot instantly builds the summary and chart for you. It's like having a data analyst available on demand. Now, let's talk about subscriptions. Because Copilot isn't available in every version of Excel, if you are an individual, you'll need a Microsoft 365 plan. The Microsoft 365 personal plan costs around $9.99 per month or around $101.99 per year, and it covers one user. The family plan costs around $12.99 per month or around $131.99 per year, and it supports up to 6 people. Both of these plans include access to Copilot, so you can start using it in Excel, Word, Outlook, and even more. For businesses, things are slightly different. Copilot is available with the Microsoft 365 Business Standard or Premium plans, starting around $9.60 per user per month. On top of that, you'll need to add a Copilot license, which costs around $23 per user per month. While that may sound like an extra expense, it's worth it if your team works with a lot of shared spreadsheets, project files, or even financial data, because Copilot integrates seamlessly across Excel, Teams, and Outlook. That means you can ask it to summarize updates across apps or pull in data from connected documents. Once you have confirmed your subscription, setting up is easy. Open Excel on your laptop, desktop, or even an iPhone. Sign in with your Microsoft account and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. If Copilot is available for your account, you will see a sparkle icon or a button labeled Copilot in the ribbon at the top. Click it and you are ready to start. When you use Copilot, the trick is to be clear and specific in your prompts. Instead of asking something vague like "show me sales," try a more focused request such as "summarize last month's sales by product category and generate a bar chart." The more context you give, the better your results. You can even chain prompts. For example, after getting a chart, you could type "compare this to the same period last year," and Copilot will refine the output automatically. Now, what if you don't see Copilot in your Excel app? Don't panic. First, check that your subscription is active and that Excel is updated to the newest version. Restart the app and look again. If Copilot still isn't showing, it may not yet be rolled out to your account, since Microsoft is gradually expanding access as well. In the meantime, you can try free alternatives such as Excel Formula Bot to generate formulas you can paste directly, or even use ChatGPT to create formulas and explanations that you then add manually into your sheet. These tools don't replace Copilot, but they can be excellent stopgaps until it's available. Here's a pro tip. Copilot doesn't just help with numbers, it can also clean messy data, spot duplicates, and even explain complex formulas you already have in your workbook. If you ever inherit a spreadsheet with long, confusing formulas, just ask Copilot, "explain these formulas step by step," and it will translate it into plain English. With Copilot, Excel becomes more than just a spreadsheet tool, it turns into a decision making assistant. You save time by skipping repetitive tasks, you avoid mistakes by relying on AI powered suggestions, and you uncover insights that you might otherwise miss, whether you are a student working on assignments, a small business owner tracking expenses, or a professional analyzing company data. Copilot adapts to your workflow and makes everything easier. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.